What's up, guys? So, you want to download Rocket League on your PC? Well, it's really simple. If you believe it or not, it's actually for free. But if you go to the Epic Games website and type in Rocket League, you won't find it. I don't know why. You have to install the software of Epic Games, or just go to Google Chrome and type in Rocket League download for PC and go to the Epic Games Store website. Click on it. It's gonna ask you for your birthday, so you're just gonna put in that your age is above 18. Just put it at 1080. So we'll go back, show you how we'll do it. Wait for it to open up. So after you type in your birthday, it will take you to this page, and you're gonna click on get. You're gonna type in your account. So in my case, I don't have one, so create one right now. You're gonna enter your password, and just after you're signed in, it will start to download. And after it's downloaded, you're just gonna click on it, agree to the terms and conditions, and you should be able to play it. And that's it.